English Dream Story. Subscribe now.
The Turtle and the Ducks. Once upon a time, a turtle lived in a pond with two ducks. They were good friends. The turtle liked to talk. He always had something to say to the ducks. He liked to hear himself say it. He was very friendly. One summer it was very hot and dry. The pond dried up. The two ducks saw that they could no longer live there. They decided to move. They would go where there was more water. They told the turtle they were leaving. "Oh, don't leave me behind," begged the turtle. "Take me with you." "But you cannot fly," said the ducks. "How can we take you with us?" "Take me with you." "Take me with you," said the turtle. The ducks felt so sorry for the turtle. They were kind ducks. "We have thought of a way," they said. "But you have to keep still. We will each take hold of one end of a strong stick. You take the middle in your mouth. Then we will fly up in the air with you and carry you with us. But remember not to talk. If you open your mouth, you will fall." The turtle said he would not say a word. He was very grateful. So the ducks brought a strong little stick and took hold of the ends, and the turtle bit firmly on the middle. Then the two ducks rose slowly in the air and flew. When they were above the treetops, the turtle wanted to say how high we are. But he remembered and kept still. When they passed another pond, he wanted to say, "Let's stop here." But he remembered and stayed silent. Then they came over the town. People looked up and saw them. "Look at the ducks carrying a turtle," they shouted. Everyone ran to look. The turtle wanted to say, "What business is it of yours?" But he didn't. Then he heard the people shout, "Isn't it strange?" The turtle forgot everything except that he wanted to say, "I am not strange. I am special." He opened his mouth and fell from the sky. Luckily, the turtle fell in a bush. But the turtle broke its leg and could not walk for weeks. A family felt sorry for the turtle and took it in. The mother said, "We will help you." She put a tub in their yard so it could have water. It wasn't a pond, but at least the turtle was alive. He helped her every day by eating weeds in the garden. What is a lesson people can learn from this story? Pride leads to a fall.